Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and actually I wanted to go to the gym now, but I have to make this emergency video. Why? Because Bitcoin and Ethereum crashed very important price levels. Bitcoin crashed at 20k price level and Ethereum the 1k price level. As you can see right now, Bitcoin has a price of about 19k and Ethereum about $987. Okay, and you know the 20k and 1k price levels are not just very important support price levels, but they are also very important psychological price levels. And the question now is, how low can we go? Okay, so let's have a look at it. Let's start with Bitcoin here, and you see, to get back to these price levels when you had them the last time, I have to go back until December 2020. Okay, so as you can see here, the price, we really crashed. We crashed the price, the support of the 20k price level. We crashed it here, and right now, let me show you. If we go back here until we reach it, December 2021. Okay, 2021. No, it's actually sorry. It's actually December 2020. Okay, so let's see. We have here a 20k price level, and the next support is actually really down here at about 17.6k. This means we could drop another $1,400 until we reach the next major support level. And the question is, will we go this low or not? You know, you never know if some big, huge institutional investors have some big buy orders somewhere in between here, and this could, of course, lead to a price spike. And if this doesn't happen, you know, people are panicking, people are panic selling. A lot of people are panic selling because if you don't have a long-term vision, then you might panic now. Oh, the price is going down. What can we do? Just sell. Some people are like this. And you know, if we would go this low to reach about the 17.6k price level, we could have a bounce from this because you see, this is like some kind of support level here with some significance. So we could go down to this price level and then have a bounce, or if we don't have a bounce from this price level, the next support would be at about, as you can see here, 16.4k. And if we don't bounce off this level, we could go down to about 16k. Of course, we don't know. As I've told you, maybe there are some big institutional investors who will buy before we reach these support levels, but you never know. As of right now, we can just work to have a clue where we could go. We have to work with these support levels. Let's have a look at Ethereum. Right now, let me show you. We have to go here. The price right now, let me show you, is here. A little bit shy of 1k. And to go back to those price levels when we had them the last time, we have to go back to about the January 2021. So let's have a look, that we have a clue how low we could go. Right now the price, the next support would be the $979 price level. If we don't have a bounce of this level, if we don't see a bounce from there, then we could go as low as about $918. If there are no institutional investors who really pump a lot of money in the market, and we have a bounce, then we could go even lower, because a lot of people will be panic selling, and the next major support level is then, we could really go this low, maybe would be about $763. But let's see if we have a bounce of any of those support levels here, or if we crash them and go even this low. We don't know. Time will show, but as of right now, we can just work with those support levels. So let's see what the market will do. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, and see you.